Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure opportunities with Amazon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what opportunities Amazon offers. Research the various platforms associated with Amazon, such as Amazon Seller Central, Amazon Mechanical Turk, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Decide which opportunity aligns best with your skills and interests. Create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. If you choose Amazon Seller Central, familiarize yourself with product categories and pricing strategies. Research high-demand products within your chosen category. Consider the cost of sourcing products and calculate your potential profit margin. If you opt for Amazon Mechanical Turk, develop a profile highlighting your skills and experience. Explore available tasks on Mechanical Turk and select those that match your capabilities. Set a schedule to consistently complete tasks for better earnings. For Kindle Direct Publishing, identify a niche or topic for your book. Outline your content carefully before starting the writing process. Write and edit your book for clarity and engagement. Create an eye-catching cover that meets Amazon's guidelines. Once your book is ready, format it according to Kindle specifications. Upload your manuscript and cover to Kindle Direct Publishing. Set a competitive price based on research and market analysis. Promote your work through social media, blogs, or other platforms. Network with other Amazon sellers or authors to exchange tips and strategies. Stay informed about Amazon's policies and trends in your chosen opportunity. Regularly evaluate your progress and adjust your strategies accordingly. Persistence and continuous learning are key to securing success with Amazon opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.